Hey friends, welcome to my channel Angle of Study. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new and important videos and share my video with your friends.
Hey, this is Areen and you're watching Angle of Study Route of Success, the online career and education classes. In this class, we discuss about important key points related to anatomy and physiology. तो क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्रेस कीजिए सब्सक्राइब बटन को एंड ऑल्सो प्रेस बेल आइकन. फर्स्ट की पॉइंट है स्टडी ऑफ फंक्शंस ऑफ वेरियस बॉडी ऑर्गन इज कॉल्ड फिजियोलॉजी एंड स्टडी ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑर्गन्स और बॉडी दैट्स कॉल्ड एनाटॉमी. सेल इज स्मॉलेस्ट फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द बॉडी. अब बात करें सेल स्ट्रक्चर की. उसके मेजर पार्ट्स होते हैं सेल मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियस, साइटोप्लाज्म और सेल ऑर्गन्स. न्यूक्लियस इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ अ सेल. सेल का लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन है न्यूक्लियस. ठीक है. न्यूक्लियस कंट्रोल्स एंड रेगुलेट्स the activities of the cell, example growth, metabolism and also carries the genes. यहाँ RBC एक्सेप्शन है जिसमें न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट है राइबोसोम इज रिलेटेड टू सिंथेसिस ऑफ ATP and ribosome particles that is present in large number in all living cells and serve as the site of protein synthesis. और जो राइबोसोम पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम की जो मेम्ब्रेन होती है उस पर अटैच होते हैं. टू फॉस्फोलिपिड्स लेयर आर फाउंड इन प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ ए फॉस्फोलिपिड, बोथ लिपिड्स एंड प्रोटीन. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन सेलेक्टिवली परमेबल होती है and regulates which molecules are allowed to enter and exit the cell. RBC contain no nucleus. Movement of molecules from an area of greater concentration to an area of lesser concentration is known as diffusion. The active movement of water from low concentration to high concentration across a semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. Skin is largest organ of body. Protection, regulation of body temperature and formation of vitamin D are main function of skin. Germinative is inner layer of epidermis. Germinative is innermost layer. That is germinative layer, also called stratum basal. Germinative most important layer of epidermis from which new tissue of constantly formed. And epidermis thick cell has 5 layers. That is 5 layers. Stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum and stratum basal. Histamine involved in inflammatory reaction. Exchange of gases between the blood and lungs is called external respiration, and exchange of gases between the blood and the cell is known as internal respiration. Length of pharynx is an adult is about 12 to 14 centimeter. Adam's apple is formed by thyroid cartilage. Epiglottis prevent the food from passing into the lower respiratory tract. Length of trachea is about 10 to 12 centimeter. (16 to 20 incomplete ring found in trachea. Incomplete ring. The cartilage ring are incomplete because this allow the trachea to collapse slightly to allow food to pass down esophagus. Okay, and incomplete tracheal ring are a birth defect in the cartilage ring that keeps the trachea collapse. Okay, the normal tracheal cartilage is C-shaped, and complete tracheal ring trachea is made O-shaped. Visceral pleura cover each lobe of the lung. 11 pair of intercostal muscles are found in human being. Intercostal muscles are muscle group that are situated between the ribs and create and move the chest wall. Eustachian tube play a vital role in vibrating tympanic membrane. In human body, rods and cones are related with vision. Rods and cones, दो photoreceptors होते हैं in human retina. Rods are responsible for vision of low light. Vision at low light level. They do not mediate color vision, and cones are active at higher light level. And capable of color vision. Optic chiasm is found in front of pituitary gland. Optic chiasm is the part of the brain where the optic nerve partially cross. राइट, ऑप्टिक नर्व कनेक्ट करती है ब्रेन को आई से. Anterior segment of eye is filled with aqueous fluid and posterior segment of eye is filled with vitreous fluid. Aqueous fluid provide nutrition to the lens and cornea. Humor give shape to the eye and support retina and lens and maintain intraocular pressure. Red color light has longest wave. Adrenaline hormone secreted by adrenal medulla. Adrenaline is a hormone related from the adrenal gland. This hormone prepares the body for fight or flight response in the time of stress. Key action of adrenaline including increasing heart rate, increasing blood pressure, expanding the air passes of the lungs, enlarging the pupil in the eyes. Breakdown of glycogen into glucose is known as glycogenolysis. Thymosin hormone mainly responsible for development of T lymphocyte. Thymosin is the hormone of the thymus and it stimulates the development of disease fighting T cell. Total 750 ml CSF produced in 24 hours. CSF is a colorless liquid that feels around the brain and spinal cord, and CSF provide a mechanical barrier against the shock. CSF produced in the choroid plexus of ventricles and absorbed in the arachnoid granulations. CSF occupies the subarachnoid space between the arachnoid matter and pia matter. Normal CSF pressure is 8 to 15 mm of Hg. And CSF measured by lumbar puncture. CSF is completely replaced every few hours and carries away waste material. Brain stem is formed by midbrain pons medulla oblongata. Brain stem control the flow of masses between the brain and rest of the body, and it's also control basic body functions such as breathing, swallow, heart rate, BP, consciousness, etc. Hypothalamus is found in cerebrum. Cerebrum is a large part of the brain. It is responsible for our voluntary functions and processes information from our sense organ. The auditory sensory area of cerebral cortex is found in temporal lobe. Temporal lobe is located or situated behind ear and extend to both sides of the brain. Temporal lobe involved in vision, memory, sensory input, emotions and comprehension. The visual area is found in occipital lobe. Total number of cervical nerves are 8. Cervical nerves are 8. Total number of spinal nerves are 31 pair. 31 pair. Total number of cranial nerves are 12 pair. Cardiac output, stroke volume multiplied by heart rate. Baroreceptors are related to maintain BP. Baroreceptor is a specialized nerve ending that allows the brain to sense blood flow and blood pressure in the major blood vessels of circulatory system. A baroreceptor is a type of mechanoreceptors. Okay, mechanoreceptor are specialized nerve ending that are built to detect a change in pressure or tension and relay that information to the brain through the neuron in the nervous system. Adrenal gland is present on superior part of kidney. Length of esophagus in adult about 25 cm. Heparin and histamine are secreted by mast cell. And what is mast cell? Mast cell is a cell filled with a basophils granules found in numbers in connective tissues and releasing histamine and other substance during inflammatory and allergic reaction. Ampulla of water is connect common bile duct and pancreatic duct. Ampulla of water, also known as hepatopancreatic duct, is formed by the union of pancreatic duct and common bile duct. Kidney, suprarenal gland, pancreas are the retroperitoneal organ.